Imagine this. You just received a top-secret file. Maybe it's classified government data. You need to send it securely, but there's a problem. You can't just send files as they are. They need to be encoded in a way that makes sense for systems, not just humans. Enter base64, encoding. It's like giving your file a secret disguise so it can travel safely through APIs, databases, and more. Today we're going to crack the code. Literally, we'll encode files into base64, save them, and even bring them back to their original form. And don't worry, if you get lost, just pretend I anticipated your question and nod along. All right, let's drag and drop the necessary nodes. Start with the UI upload node. This is like the front door of our project. It lets us upload a file into nodered. Imagine you're sending a secret spy document, except it's probably just a picture of your cat. Next, we connect it to a join node. This node helps us merge chunks of data if needed. Think of it like assembling a puzzle, except nodered does all the work for us. We're just here for moral support. Then, we add a function node to convert our file into base64. This is where the magic happens. The code inside is pretty simple. Boom.
Let me upload an image file and try to convert it into base64 format. Here now the file is created. Let me open the file for you to show how the file looks like.
Now your file is encoded into base64. It's basically gibberish to humans, but computers love it. We use a file node to save our encoded text into a file. Make sure the file name is set properly. Otherwise, nodered will get confused and throw an error faster than you can say eyes dear. And trust me, we don't want that. If all goes well, you now have a file containing the base64 encoded version of your original upload. Yay! Now let's pretend we lost the original file. Oops! No worries, because we can get it back. We use another file in Node to read the saved base64 file, then send it through another function node to decode it back. And voila, we get back our original file, which we then save using another file node. So, why would anyone want to do this? Good question. Here are a few real-world applications: storing images or files as text in databases, sending files over APIs that only accept text-based data, encoding top-secret messages. But don't tell anyone I told you that want to take this further. You can. Add an MQTT node to send the encoded file to another system. Store base64 data in MongoDB. Create a nodered dashboard that previews uploaded images after decoding. And that's it, folks. We turned a file into base64, stored it, then brought it back like magic. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment, even if it's just to say hello, nodered wizard. Also, check out the description for the full code and join me on Facebook and Telegram for more cool content. See you next time. Happy coding!